Exploring Sophia was pretty tiring, so let's get something to eat. They're really big on kebabs over here. It all looks so good. By the way, I know you're thinking, you see the price? This converts to like, what, like eight US dollars? I've been seeing stray cats everywhere here. It's like a thing. Like stray cats, stray dogs. Oh, the fires. Oh, you know about the fires.
Of course, everybody.
Yeah, the fires are bad, yeah. Killing thousands of people. Okay, hundreds of people.
It's apple tea.
Apple tea? Thank you. Apple tea. Yeah. I'm trying to go back in the Blue Mosque right now, and it appears to be closed. Oh,
If you want, you can visit the hippodrome here. Have you been hippodrome?
The Podron?
Yeah.
Where's that at?
From here? I'm not tourist guy, don't worry.
You're not tourist guide?
I work in market, I have a family business. Why? Because of this time, no tourists, no business. And we just come to out talking with the people, we help them. After them, we show them our shop.
Oh, are you from Turkey?
No,
Where are you from?
I am from Turkey, but not Istanbul, from eastern part of Turkey.
Oh,
We are Kurdish.
British?
Yes. We love American because of they have a lot of culture.
Oh yeah, the Kurds, right?
Yeah, we are Kurd.
Oh yeah. Where are the best parties at Istanbul?
Best part for the what?
For parties?
For the parties, you need to go from the Ortaköy. There is a best nightclub from the there. It's called the Sorti.
Uh-huh.
And it's the best nightclub from the Istanbul.
Okay.
It's very nice. Originally from where?
Los Angeles?
Los Angeles, California.
Yeah. And you're not a tourist guide?
No, I'm not tourist.
Okay. Because I heard you have to have a license to be a tourist guide.
Of course. And for that, we don't say the people we are tourist guide and we show you like places for the money. We show them for free.
Uh-huh.
After then, we show the our shop.
Where's your shop at?
My shop is the just corner.
Down here?
Yes, down here. I show you hippodrome. After then, I show you my shop. And my uncle, he will try to sell you carpet.
Someone else tried to sell me a carpet earlier.
Where?
Same place where you were at. Maybe it was your uncle.
What is his name?
Shoot, I don't even remember.
Okay.
This is Gucci scarf.
Yes. Look at this one.
I'm walking to the Grand Bazaar. It's supposed to be the biggest marketplace in the world. So, it'll be worth the half-mile walk. We just walked into a Turkish supermarket. I'm pretty sure this is all fake. Actually, this is all fake. Looks nice though. Could fool me. We are now in the Grand Bazaar.
The best drug is from Afghanistan.
The best drug is from Afghanistan?
Yes. My friends, they say this.
Really? This is really good. What's in it?
Turkish delight with almond.
Okay.
Yes. This is coffee. This is pomegranate. I let you try the pomegranate.
I guess these aren't low carbs.
From LA.
I've been shopping. Oh man, I'm exhausted. This place is so huge. I see why it's like the world's largest swap market. Everything, everything. I just walked into a 3-story Starbucks. You heard it, 3-story Starbucks. Let's see what it looks like. Second floor. Third floor. Oh man, it just keeps going. Okay, I lied. It's more than 3 stories, but I don't want to do any more flights of stairs.
It's my birthday.
It's your birthday?
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Okay. Look at the view from there. So this is my 3rd and final day in Turkey. Yes, I have to head back, but I have some interesting stuff planned for today. For some reason, a lot of people are nervous to travel by themselves. And I just want to tell you guys, I love to travel by myself. It's fun. It's like, you wake up, you do whatever you want. I know, if you're a social person, I know some of you aren't social, but it's easy to meet people, especially being American. Sometimes it can be dangerous in a country like Turkey, but I mean, they say Turkey's dangerous. I'm in the safe part, I guess. I haven't seen anything so far, but I definitely recommend everyone try to travel by themselves at least once in their life. It's a great experience. I have my Turkish breakfast here. I don't know what any of this stuff is. I know this is beef, this is sweet, and this has cheese. Looks good though. If you love food, Turkey is the right place for you. It's so much food, kebabs and all this other stuff I never heard of. I just try random stuff, see if I like it, and it is amazing. I haven't had one thing yet that I didn't like, honest to God truth. Switching buses now for the tour guide. I'm getting ready to go on a tour of the Bosphorous River and the cable cars.
I ain't got no job, but got hella up. I don't need no wife.
The first destination we're heading to is the cable cars. From there we'll be going to the Bosphorous River cruise. I'm about to get on a
They told me I never would make it, I'm making my dreams a reality, nigga. Sitting short shot, it's just me and my brodies, I'm smoking on top of the balcony, nigga. Sipping Douce as I'm chasing my wet. Think of how I get these chains on my neck. How the fuck I get these bitches so wet that they leaving they man and they go and forget.
I'm the captain now.
Spending this cash and I'm getting it back. Coming back to me. Back for the summer, they feeling my wrath. Moment for life, I can pour up a glass. Pour up that deuce. Hopping in Audi, I'm hitting the gas. While I'm hanging out the moon roof. Douce got me too loose. Silly bitches, yeah, they gon' choose. But my team, we never gon' lose. Got me feeling like it's game 6. Back on my Brown James shit. Through the rain, keep the flame lit. Got the same goals, want the same shit. I would not stop till we all rich. In the black spur like I'm Aldridge. Got pretty bitches up in college. They get every piece of the knowledge. I live in the say that I'm not shit.
Good.
Still roll with the same clique, got the same goals, want the same shit. I would not stop till we all rich in the black spur like I'm Aldridge. Got pretty bitches up at college, they're giving me piece of the knowledge. I leave and they say that I'm not shit. You do what you want when you poppin'. You do what you want. You do what you want when you poppin'. I'm in and she call